Pininfarina in China, we are here from established from 15 years this year, but we work with China from more than 30 years. So we have several collaboration with most of the OEM here in China. We have customers that year by year work with us regularly. Consistency of the job arriving from China in automotive is quite solid. Not only in passenger cars, also in commercial vehicles like buses, truck, heavy truck, and so on. So it's a very healthy market for us. China is working on EV vehicle or new energy vehicle from years, so we have to learn from China. For sure, we will benefit the experience from China. This collaboration with Pininfarina is already ongoing. I hope that in the future, manufacturing in Italy with the Chinese will expand.